Good news, Wake Tech Communication students. We have two online options to serve you. The first option is to go to your list of Blackboard courses, look for calm.speak.center and click on that course. Then click on the virtual speak link and read the directions there. You will see a link below the directions that will let you upload a video or assignment. Click on that link and then attach your video or assignment. You can also click on this Write Submission to add text. If you have a question you would like help with, you can enter it here. You can also enter in any information you want the tutor to know. Then click the Submit link. Remember again, it may take tutors up to 3 business days to process your submission, so be sure to get it submitted as early as possible. You will find feedback by going to My Grades and looking at the rubric attached to the assignment. The second option is to schedule an appointment with a tutor for a virtual meeting using Wake Tech's Teams meeting tool. Go to speak.waketech.edu and click on the online reservation system. That's option 2, the online reservation system tab. On this page, choose a date and time. Then add your name and your email address. Be sure to add your Wake Tech email, as you won't be able to access the Teams link unless you use your Wake Tech email. Then add some additional information such as your ID number, the course that you need help with, and also your instructor. Then click on Book. You will receive an email with the link to join the Teams meeting with your tutor at the appointed time. Use this link to connect your device to that meeting. If you have any issues or questions or problems, please contact Emily Moore at ecmoore@waketech.edu or reach out to one of your communication instructors. We wish you all the best with your communication course this semester.